The Supreme Court has spoken on the Kaveri matter, and the Chief Justice of India has told the centre, you have to implement the Kaveri order, submit the draft scheme on Kaveri by the 3rd of May. The Supreme Court has said it has rejected the centre's view that it could form its own scheme and has observed, we will finalize the scheme and it won't take much time. The message to both the states, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, is that they must maintain peace, and the court also telling the centre, you should have implemented our order already.
We are joined by Law Minister Mr. Shanmugam. Sir, how do you see this order?
Really, it is a very good order. After a prolonged for a past 2-3 decades of the legal battle, now it's come to a conclusion. Today, Chief Justice of India has stated clearly, categorically stated and directed the central government to file the draft scheme before May, 3rd of the May, before the Supreme Court.
So, the scheme means, does it mean Kaveri Management Board?
The scheme means they asked for clarification, but Chief Justice of India categorically stated that scheme means that Kaveri Tribunal Board final award also to look into incorporate into our final judgment. So central government should look into the final judgment of the Kaveri Tribunal.
But sir, you said about the Karnataka election, the center, even court saying center should have implemented it. This is a very strong word against the center.
They try to state that there's a Karnataka election. Our council also state objection to the para. They are going to be elections going. It is not a stand to be taken by the Union Government of India to state there's an election. Due to election, we are not forming the scheme. Court has clearly stated it has to be filed. The scheme has to be filed before May.
But Chief Justice also making it very clear, convey to the both states that there should be law and order, peace. That's what Chief Justice concerns. Yes. Will all these agitations now stop? Particularly opposition parties.
We hope this order is a very good order.
The centre, it has given it 23 more days now till the 3rd of May to actually come back to them with a clear order on what and how they're going to be doing. Remember now, this date is really crucial because that's just 10 days before the Karnataka polls. So what they say, what they submit could well have a clear impact on the Karnataka polls. So extremely crucial that date there. Apart from that, I just want to let you know about what exactly transpired inside the court. Some very interesting exchange took place between the centre and the state, and especially what the Tamil Nadu lawyer had to say. Now, inside the court, the Tamil Nadu lawyer went to say that anybody who understands elementary English understand what is said on the Kaveri verdict, but the centre does not. To which the CJI said very categorically that the directions of the Supreme Court should be complied with. We are really surprised that the scheme was not framed by you. You're obliged, he said, with the order that was passed with much difficulty by the Supreme Court. Some very strong words there by both the Tamil Nadu government and the Supreme Court, asking the centre why exactly did they not comply with the deadline. And then comes the question, if they failed once, what is the guarantee that they will not fail this deadline again? Like we said, very crucial that date, 3rd of May, just 10 days before Karnataka goes to polls. I also spoke with the AIADMK MP in this matter. Remember, just last week, all of them were in the well of the House in Parliament protesting over this issue. But today, they came out and said that they were happy with what the Supreme Court had said. Also underlined the matter that this will settle down things back home a little. Remember, since the news of the Kaveri board and the deadline missing has come out, the entire fraternity, in fact, not just one, but several fraternities have all come together asking on the streets, really asking the centre why exactly they did not comply.